Sneezing is actually a superpower of our body. It helps us get rid of tiny intruders, like dust, germs, or even pepper.
Uh-oh! Look at that! Tiny little germs are floating through the air, and they're heading straight for the nose.
Inside your nose, there are tiny little hairs called cilia. These hairs trap bad stuff that you shouldn't breathe in, but sometimes your nose gets irritated and sends an emergency signal to your brain. And guess what happens next? Your body gears up for a sneeze. Your lungs take a big breath in, your throat muscles get ready, and then